The noise is coming from behind the glove box, this area over here. So I'm going to pry the box down. Just have to get something in there to lever it down and let it drop forward. There's one of them right here. There's another one. You can see it up over here to the far right. Right here. So now we're going to turn the car on and see which one it is coming from this area. Engine running, AC on. It acts up with the dial in this position. And there we go. There's our guy right there. This other one's quiet. Interesting. This even happens with the key out of the ignition. It's continuing to click and potentially run down your battery. Part number 52409974 needs to be replaced. An Actuator actuator. 5.5 millimeter. Locate by feel. Getting it in will be fun too. Okay, so we're going to stop the madness and unplug it. Alright. This thing is really stuck in there. So I pried this apart to have a little peek inside this bad one. And right away we can see that there's a need for some dental work here. A couple of teeth missing on this plastic gear. Okay, so it's a matter of lining up the hole in the actuator with the door arm. So there's the angle it has to sit at. Now I'll put the two screws in. All right, we're in. Okay, let's test this now. Turn it to AC. That's where it acted up before. And here's the little motors. Nice and quiet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more useful videos.